What to do with the takeout food and grocery items? Yes, this same question struck in my mind various times after watching this advertisement. This leads me in building UVC Disinfection Cabinet for COVID-19 virus. UV spectrum ranges between 100 nanometers to 400 nanometers, but we need UVC, which covers specific wavelength ranging between 200 nanometers and 280 nanometers, which is capable of irradiating viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores, including deadly COVID-19 virus. This method has long been accepted for water treatment and also widely used in medical facilities, research laboratories, manufacturing, food process industry, and hospitals. According to recent study, coronavirus can be eliminated within 10 to 15 minutes exposure of UVC light in the range of 254 nanometers. It works by disrupting the DNA structure of bacteria, viruses, and preventing their replication. By using a UVC light combined with other commonly gettable materials, you can make your own disinfection cabinet, like I did. So, let's begin with the step-by-step procedure. First things first, warning. UVC lighting, while it is good for disinfection, on other hand is very bad for humans. It can damage your skin cell and eyes, therefore, it's important to build a solution that doesn't allow the light to escape and break down your own DNA. You can make this cabinet with parts easily available at home and no power tools required for construction. Step 1. Materials. Cabinet or trunk, anything with lid that can be closed will work. Aluminium foil. Best cheaply available reflective material for cabinet inside coating. Any glue or Fevicol for sticking aluminium foil. Tape or zip tie for fastening lamp. Aluminium mesh acts as an oven grill so that irradiating items get exposed from all sides. Step 2. Procuring UVC light. There are lots of UVC lights available commercially. I procured mine from Bed Group. After spending a lot of time searching PHiLiPS UVC light and reading reviews on Amazon, I have decided not to buy it from local provider. This light has the standard 2-pin connector, which is common with tube lights. I purchased PHiLiPS TUV 15 watt and 1.5 feet length, 2 in quantity. Also I have procured ballast and T8 holder from same company. Lamp frame. You can either directly buy it from Bed Group or make it yourself. I made it using cable case way. 1.5 feet length tube is not common in India, so you will not get it easily in nearby local store. Step 3. Aluminium grid to lift your items. You can easily get it in plywood store or you can use wire mesh. To maximize reflectivity, most suitable material is aluminium. And also it is advisable to set up mesh before coating cabinet with aluminium foil. Step 4. Cabinet coating. Using glue you can stick aluminium foil on inside surface of cabinet. Just make sure each and every surface get coated properly. Fastening the lamp. I use 2 lights, one above and one below the grill, so that maximum surface of items gets exposed. After finalizing the light position, I fix lamp frame with tape. Step 6. Final assembly and ready to kill. As you can see, I made a small notch to take wire outside the cabinet for power connection. Do this prior to coating so that coating will not get distressed. After this, carefully place grill inside the cabinet and place top lamp above the grill. I have also made glass protector for top lamp using same grill cut piece. At this point my assembly is ready. For demonstration purpose, I am placing some grocery items and day-to-day essentials inside the cabinet. I am keeping lid open just to show you how it works. In few seconds you will see Corona Killer in action. No one is inside the room while shooting this. I can easily irradiate grocery items, mask, currency, cell phone, etc. in the cabinet. Research also supports vegetable and meat items can also be irradiated without harming the nutrition content. Now important question is how much time it takes to irradiate viruses and pathogen. There are 4 things needs to consider while calculating UVC dosage, that is, distance, bulb power, duration, and shadowing. As per calculation it takes 2 minutes time to kill virus with 15-watt lamps. But to be on safer side, I typically irradiate my items 5 minutes for good measure. So that's it guys, hope you liked this project. If you really appreciate this one, please like and share it with your friends. And let me know in comments if you are building one for yourself. Until next time, go Corona, go.